Watch one video and you will earn $2.80. Watch 10 videos and you will earn $28. You can earn over $100 in a day watching videos online, which is one of the best ways to how to make money online. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this brand new website where you can watch videos and make money online. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see that on average, a user withdraws over $10 every day from this website, and they have already paid over $470,000 to the users of this website. So click where it says register account, select a unique username for your account, enter your email, create a password for your account, click I am not a robot, check on agree with terms and conditions, and simply register yourself on this website. Or else you can directly create your account using your Gmail account or your Twitch account. Once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, this website has over 4.6 star ratings on Trustpilot, and it is one of the verified websites by Trustpilot, which means that this is one of the legit websites to make money online. Now the good thing is that here you can withdraw your earnings through many different payment methods available in your country, and this website will show you the withdrawal methods that are actually available in your country. So if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still take withdrawal through many different payment methods, or you can directly withdraw your earnings to your bank account, and you just need $2 to withdraw your earnings to your bank, which is really awesome. Now the step number 2 is, once you are on your dashboard, I want you to click where it says Earn. And that's going to take you to this page where you can find many different ways to earn money online, such as completing some offers and playing games, watching Twitch streams, listening to music, watching video clips, and many more ways to make money. But today we want to make money online watching videos, so I want you to select the watch streams option from there. But don't worry, you don't need a Twitch account to watch these Twitch streams. So even if you don't have a Twitch account, you can still watch these Twitch stream videos here and make money online. Now as you can see, there are tons of videos that you can watch to earn money, and most of these videos are gaming videos like GTA 5, Minecraft, PUBG, Counter-Strike, etc. So you can watch any of your favorite gaming videos and earn money. Comment down below your favorite games so that I can create more videos related to that for you. Okay, so for example, if you like this video, you can open it up, and that's going to take you to this page where you can watch the gaming video. And while you are enjoying the videos, you are also making money by watching them. As you can see, you are getting paid $2 points per minute for watching videos. And this may go as high as $2.80 per minute watching videos. But your earnings will depend on the country you are from. The more developed your country, the more money you are going to earn. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, regardless of the country you are from, the longer you watch these videos, the more money you are going to make. So for example, if you are getting paid less amount of money per minute for watching these videos, you can watch these videos for a longer time to earn more money. And there are tons of videos that you can watch and multiply your earnings. Now the first bonus tip is that you can go to the settings of this video, select the quality option, and choose 144 quality from there. This will help you to watch the videos with lower quality and save your internet data. The second bonus tip is that you can open multiple videos in different tabs at the same time on your browser. This will help you maximize your earnings, because if one video earns your $2.80 per minute watching videos, and you open up 10 videos in different tabs at the same time, you will be earning $28 per minute watching videos. Now the step number 3 to earn money watching videos is to watch these short and trending video clips and get paid every 5 minutes you watch. And for this, you have to install the live stream app on your Android mobile device or on your iOS mobile device. Enter your username in the app, which you can find for yourself right next to this second point. And then you can start watching those short and trending videos, and you can earn anywhere between $1 points to $10 points every 5 minutes you watch those videos. The longer you watch, the more money you will make, and all the money you earn on live stream app will be automatically added to your account on this website. You will also earn 1 ticket every 5 minutes, which you can use to maximize your earnings on this website. Now if you want, you can also maximize your earnings with other different make money online methods available here. For example, you can make money listening to music if you want to, and for this also you can install the global radio music app to your Android mobile device or to your iOS mobile device, and you may earn $1 points to $10 points every 10 minutes you listen to radio music. Just like this, you can earn some extra cash completing different offers like playing games, participating in surveys, etc. Let's open this complete offers, and that's gonna take you to this page where you can find the featured offers. offer providers, and the survey providers. Starting with the featured offers, you can see that here you can install some gaming apps like Flappy Bird, which you can play and earn money playing games. The next option is the offer providers. As you can see, there are many offer providers which you can use and make money online, and some of them will help to earn money watching videos also. For example, if you open up the AdSend media from here, it will show you the different apps that you can install and earn money for installing them. But if you come to the top of this platform and click where it says videos, it will show you all the different platforms where you can earn money for watching different videos, such as Pixel Point TV, Puppy Bear TV, Jet Set Live TV, and so on. Not only that, on AdSend Media, you can also make money completing different surveys, signing up to different platforms, and installing different apps on your mobile device. So if you click on mobile apps option, it will show you the different apps and different games that you can install on your mobile device and make money online. Not only that, you can also select your device from the top of this platform, Android, iPhone, or iPad, and you can use the apps that are specifically available for your mobile device type. Just like this, if you open up the Lootably platform from here, you will find that Lootably also has different apps that you can install and earn money. But here on Lootably, you will find the endless list of hundreds of thousands of apps that are available for you to install and make money. As you can see, I can keep scrolling down on this platform, and the apps will keep showing. And the good thing is that if you are not interested in installing some random apps, you can just install the apps that you are already familiar with, or you can just install the interesting gaming apps from here so that you can enjoy playing games and at the same time, you can earn money playing them. There are many interesting games like X's and O's, basketball shots, Ludo, and many more play-to-earn games. And if you come to the top of Lootably platform here, you can find the option to watch videos and earn money. So just click where it says videos, and it will show you all the video categories that you can watch to earn money, such as you can watch business videos, gaming videos, DIY videos, food videos, etc. Choose the category you like from here, and click on Watch Videos button next to it. For example, I like watching gaming videos, so I will just click on Watch Videos button next to it. And that's gonna take me to this Loot.tv website, where first of all I need to sign up myself. And as soon as I sign up, my Loot TV account will be automatically linked to my account on our main website. And all the money I earn here watching these gaming videos will be added directly to my account on this website, which I can easily withdraw from there. So as you can see now, I can start watching gaming videos on Loot TV, and I will start earning money for every ad that shows on these videos while I am watching them. And the money I earn watching the videos will be directly transferred to the main website. And by the way, the name of this website is rewardyio. Rewardy has over 4.6 star rating on Trustpilot, and it is also one of the verified websites there. Now the step number 4. To withdraw your earnings from rewardy.io, all you need to do is click where it says withdraw, and that's going to show you 2 methods to withdraw your earnings. You can either withdraw your earnings into cash using cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or directly through your PayPal account. Or you can withdraw your earnings in the form of gift cards like Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, or Roblox gift cards. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from this website, then help me get over 2,000 likes on this video, and I will create a withdrawal proof video for Rewardy. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.